let's talk about two things before we get to the last couple questions. You did hit on your Purpose Learning Academy. You
Hmm.
did a little bit about that. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Purposeful Learning Academy.
Yes.
Purposeful Learning Academy is named after my daughter. My daughter's name is Nia, and Nia is a Kwanzaa principle. That means purpose. Her middle name is Imani, which means faith. So I took purpose. My purpose on this planet is to support children who are struggling. I struggled as a child. I struggled not in literacy, but in math. So I understand struggle. I understand not knowing, moments of feeling stupid. How come they get it but I don't get it? How come I don't understand this? So I understand. So my purpose on this planet, I knew from a young age my purpose is going to be the best damn teacher that I can be on this planet. So that's why I named it Purposeful Learning Academy. My focus is elementary school students, because if we have a strong foundation in literacy and writing and math, then we have rock stars going into middle school and then
We
high
do.
school that
Yes,
will
we do.
eventually be able to leave high school like I was, literate. We have many children graduating from high school who are not literate people. They're not fluent, and they're not confident readers, and this is limiting their salary potential and their wealth building potential. So my purpose is not just the elementary school now, but I'm thinking long term that if I give them a strong foundation, I know I'm helping them in the long run. And I also support children by teaching them how to play chess. I learned how to play chess in the fourth grade by watching my mom play with her friend. And I believe that chess, just teaching me how to think and plan ahead, helped manifest some of my goals as well.
Okay.
So my business was named after my daughter. It's focused on empowering children at the elementary school level. I have a few students at the middle and high school level that are siblings to the kids in elementary school level. It's not my specialty, but I can support them if they are struggling. And I do have some that are. I have to give them the news that the reason why you're struggling with this global history or these earth science or living environment is because you are dyslexic. And I have to tell them, and they don't want to hear it, but I tell them this is what it is. And it's okay, because look, you're gifted in these other ways. Your brain, the left side of your brain that manages language and literacy, just needs to be retuned, rewired. And through tutoring, we can fix that.
Yes, we
But
do.
your right sider, you're gifted here with your creativity and technology. You're gifted in other areas. We're all gifted in different areas. We're not all gifted in the same ways. And so I have a couple of conversations with them, honest conversations with them, and I'm able to support them as well. So I've had teacher assistants work for me, and teach them what I know so that they could support me in my tutoring business as well. I do online tutoring and in person. My office is in Brooklyn, New York City. It's always been based in Brooklyn. This is where I live and this is where I'm from. I have a child-friendly office. If you go to my website, Dr. Allison Parker, Ph.D., I have a website. There's a couple of pictures there on my website as well. And I'm here to support mom. Mom is my number one client. Most of my moms are African American moms, and they're looking for a teacher that understands literacy and, more importantly, children with IEPs, children that have an individual education plan because they have some kind of disability, either in speech and language or reading disability, and I'm here to support them.
Okay.
I'm open all year, 12 months out of the year. I've been working.
You've been doing it. You've
I've
been
been
doing
doing
it.
it
You've been
since
doing it.
July 2nd, 2012, and I haven't skipped a month. I've been pretty much here, yeah, doing it because I know I'm helping to save lives. If we're more literate, we're unstoppable if we're powerfully literate.
Yes, we are. Awesome.